Hello Ride-On people. So I want to talk about the Multistrada V4 fuel capacity, economy and range. And forgive me for repeating what's on the screen, but I think you'll probably, if you're interested in this video, you'll probably want to see the numbers. And hopefully my maths is working correctly, but otherwise you'll correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. So in terms of range based on a UK bike, the V4 has a 22 litre tank. And there are 4.54 litres per UK gallon. So that is a tank capacity of 4.84 UK gallons. Now Ducati claim an economy average of 43 mile per gallon. So therefore you've got a theoretical range of 208 miles. Now the reserve range, or the low fuel light, whatever you call it, should illuminate at 0.88 UK gallons to go, meaning on average a range of 171 miles until the low fuel light and a reserve range of 37 miles until empty. So in terms of USA bikes, there are 1.2 US gallons to a UK gallon. So that means that the tank capacity is 5.80 US gallons. And of course the theoretical range is going to be the same at 208 miles, assuming the fuel tanks are the same size, which we assume they are. And that equates to 35 US miles per gallon. So here in America, Ride-On crew member Jerry has a Multistrada V4 and he rode it down to 0 miles remaining indicated on the TFT. He then managed to ride a further couple of miles to the gas station. His bike did not experience fuel starvation and continued to run smoothly the whole time. But when he refueled his bike, it took exactly 4.80 US gallons to fill it to the brim. So at 4.80 US gallons, Jerry's bike took a whole 1 US gallons less to fill than Ducati's claim capacity of 5.80 gallons. This means that either the reserve range only begins at 0 miles and not when the low fuel light comes on, which would be quite bizarre, or Ducati have simply made a capacity mistake in both the US and UK owners' manuals, which would also be very strange. As a Street Fighter V4S owner, I can say there's a similar capacity thing going on with that bike as well in terms of claimed capacity and actual. I really can't fathom out what is actually happening and why it's such a large delta of a whole gallon US. It's confusing the heck out of me, so if anyone has any theories on this, please leave them in comments below.